The problem is, when it comes time to remove an engine, an EV battery, a subframe, or a transmission, working from under the car is usually the safest and easiest solution. But relying on floor jacks and jack stands can often be unsteady, slow, and risky, especially when handling these heavy assemblies. The solution is our AGA Lift Table XL. The Lift Table XL is built specifically for larger, heavier jobs, featuring a heavy-duty air-over hydraulic lifting system that delivers smooth, powerful, and controlled lifting with minimal effort from the technician. With a 2,200-pound lifting capacity and a large 59 by 31-inch platform, the Lift Table XL easily supports engines, transmissions, subframes, EV batteries, and fuel tanks, while the wide, stable base keeps everything secure. The platform lowers to a low working height for safe loading, then raises up to a full standing working height, allowing you to precisely align mounting points and fixtures without strain. Integrated adjustable fixtures, flow-controlled lowering, and ratchet straps keep heavy assemblies stable and under control at every stage of the job. Despite its size and strength, the AGA Lift Table XL remains fully movable with its smooth, locking caster wheels. If you're looking for a safer, more convenient way to handle these heavy removals without taking up space in your shop, give us a call or go to agatools.com.